Media arts students get experience both in front of and behind the camera. We really try to take students' creativity and give them the training and the tools they need to take that to the next level.
I mainly focus on filming promos, short films, and sometimes I record whatever I want. Our teacher has a very open mind and lets us follow our interests and lets us do what we want to do in our future.
My favorite part of the class is like talking to people, getting to know people. Having fun in this class is really fun.
Say once you get out of high school and you go to college, like I plan to do, you could go into freelance photography.
And I feel you can make a career out of this program too, because not only do you learn editing skills, but you also learn broadcasting skills.
This class teaches you how to use cameras, teaches you how to edit, it teaches you how to use Adobe, anything Premiere, Photoshop, animation. You will really enjoy this class.
If students are interested in audio recording, podcasting, filmmaking, news broadcast and news writing, videography, or photography, this is a place for them to be.